Hello. Page 113, Unit 6, Serious Fun. Focus on the topic. A. Predict. B. Look at the pictures and answer questions 1 to 3. Page 114, Background and Vocabulary. Exercise 1. Read the timeline about the history of computer games. Try to understand the boldface words without looking them up in the dictionary. Page 116, Exercise 2. Circle the best synonym for each bold-faced word or phrase. Important. A synonym is a word with the same meaning as another word. For example, easy, simple, or difficult, hard. Page 116. Number 2. Focus on reading. A. Reading 1, Serious Fun. The article on page 117 was in the Los Angeles Times the week before the E3, a big game design meeting and show. The author, Ralph Costner, is a game designer. What do you think the title of the article might mean? Tick all of the answers you think are possible. Now read the article on page 117 to see if your answers are correct. Page 118. Read for main ideas. Complete the main idea of reading 1. Circle one clause in column B and one clause in column C. Then write the complete main idea on the lines provided in your book. Page 118. Read for details. Complete the sentence in column A with the appropriate phrase from column B. Now complete 1 to 8. Page 119. Make inference. Put a check next to all of the words that can complete the sentence. According to reading 1, a well-designed game is... Do exercise 1 to 13. Express opinions. Think about 2 questions. Do you agree or disagree with questions 1 and 2? Write if you agree or disagree and your reasons why. Page 119 and 120. B. Reading 2. Saving the World with Computer Games. Read the article that starts on page 119. Now read each statement below the article, page 120. Decide which one is true and which one is false. Write T for true or F for false next to each statement 1 to 5. Page 120. C. Integrate reading 1 and 2. Step 1. Organize. Look at the outline of the main ideas in reading 1 and 2 on page 121. Fill in the details that illustrate these main ideas. Choose from the list of details. Page 121. Step 2. Synthesize. You are part of a parent listserv, an email group. Every week you get emails from people asking advice about many parenting issues. Parenting, being a parent, looking after children. You get means receive this message. Page 122. Write a response to Nancy. Use information from the outline in step 1, page 121. Page 127. B. Grammar. Expressing habitual present with when clauses, exercise 1. Read the paragraph about a game called Third World Farmer. Circle the word when every time you see it. Then underline the verbs in each when sentence. Page 127, exercise 2. Read the sentences. Complete each one with the correct form of the verb in parentheses. Now complete 1 to 2 on page 127 and 3 to 5 on page 128. Page 128, exercise 3. Read each sentence. Add a comma if the sentence needs it. Now do questions 1 to 5. Page 128, exercise 4. Finish the sentences. Make sure you use the correct form of the verb. Please do questions 1 to 4. Page 128, C. Writing. In this unit, you read about a new kind of game, serious video games that teach about real life. Do you know such a game? What do you think of it? You are going to write a review of a game that teaches something. The game can be a computer game or a board game. You will give a short description of the game. Then you will give your opinion of the game and your reasons for liking or disliking it. Use the vocabulary and grammar from the unit. Page 129. Prepare to write. Brainstorming. 1. For 10 minutes, write down as many games as you can. Remember playing. This is called brainstorming. It is important in brainstorming never to call anything a bad idea. When your 10 minutes is up, look at your list. Think about which game teaches something useful. You can begin by crossing out the game that don't teach anything useful. Now answer the questions that follow. Page 129. Write a review. The purpose of a review is to give people useful information about a product as well as a clear opinion of the product so that people can decide if they want to buy it. When you write a review, it is important to include the following parts. 1. A topic sentence. 2. A brief description of the thing that you are reviewing. 3. Reasons for your opinions. Page 129. Write a review, exercise 1. Read the review of a computer game called Third World Farmer. Label the topic sentence TS, the description D, and the reasons R1, R2, etc. for the writer's opinion. Page 130, exercise 2. Look at this review of Scrabble. It is missing a topic sentence and a description. Choose the best topic sentence from A to C and description A to C from the list below. Write them on the lines. Page 130, Exercise 3. Now write the first draft of your review of a game that teaches something. Use the game you selected on page 129. Include a topic sentence with your opinion, a short description of the game, and reasons for your opinion. Page 130. Revise. Showing order of importance. When giving reasons for an opinion, it is useful to introduce each one with a word to show order of importance. These ordered words separate the reasons and make them clearer to the reader. Important. Write down in your notebook the words or phrases that show order of importance, as listed in the textbook. They are written in the white box in your book. Page 131, Exercise 1. Look again at the review of Third World Farmer. Circle the words that introduce each reason for the writer's opinion. Page 131, Exercise 1 and 2. 1. Look again at the review of Third World Farmer. Circle the words that introduce each reason for the writer's opinion. 2. Read the review of Read this review of Food Force. Add words to make the order of importance clearer. Leave the blank space if no word order is needed. Make sure you use proper punctuation and capitalization. Page 131, Exercise 3. Go back to the first draft of your review. Add words to show order of importance in the reasons for your opinion. It will make your review clearer. Page 132. Edit. Writing the final draft. Write the final draft of your review. Carefully edit for grammatical and other areas such as spelling, capitalization, and punctuation. Make sure you use some of the vocabulary and grammar from the unit. Use the checklists to help you write your final draft. Then neatly write or type your review.